Hello everyone, and welcome to Echo Tales. Today, we have a beautiful story that teaches a powerful lesson. The importance of staying open-minded and ready to learn. As we listen, we'll discover how humility can make us wiser. And, of course, we'll pick up new words and improve our English along the way. So, let's begin. And be sure to stay with us until the very end. Once, in a small and beautiful village, there lived a young woman named Rena. Rena was lively, confident, and loved to share her thoughts. She had gathered bits of knowledge from what she read, saw, and heard. But she was convinced she already knew everything she needed to know. One day, Rena heard about a wise older woman named Amara. People said, Amara's words are like light in the darkness. Curious and eager to show just how smart she was, Rena decided to pay her a visit. When Rena arrived at Amara's simple home, the old woman welcomed her warmly. Rena didn't waste any time. She launched into a long speech, talking about everything she thought she knew. She shared her opinions on life, people, and the world without taking a breath. While Rena talked, Amara quietly picked up an empty jar and began pouring water into it. The jar filled up quickly, but Amara kept pouring, letting the water spill over and run across the table. Rena finally stopped talking, surprised. "Why are you still pouring?" she asked. "The jar is already full." Amara smiled gently and said, "Yes, the jar is full. Just like your mind. When it's too full, there's no room for anything new. If you truly wish to learn, you must first empty your jar." Rena sat in silence, her cheeks burning with embarrassment. She realized she had been so eager to show off her knowledge that she hadn't stopped to consider what she could learn from others. Amara continued, her voice calm yet firm. "True wisdom doesn't come from knowing everything. It comes from being humble and open to learning. Even I, after so many years, am still a student of life. When we think we know it all, we stop growing. But when we make space for new ideas, we grow wiser and kinder." The older woman's words struck a deep chord within Rena. She thought about how often she had dismissed others, convinced she already had all the answers. Humbled, she said, "Thank you, Mrs. Amara. I have been too proud to listen and learn. But now I understand. I want to change." From that day on, Rena was different. She started listening carefully to others and found new things to learn every single day. Slowly, she grew wiser, not just in knowledge, but in understanding and kindness. People in her village noticed her transformation, saying, "Rena has truly become wise." So, today we learned through this story the incredible value of humility and openness. Remember, true wisdom isn't about knowing everything, but about being willing to learn. When we empty our jar, we create space for new ideas, deeper understanding, and personal growth. Learning English can also be a calming and enjoyable practice. Just keep listening, learning, and growing. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, comment, and share how this story inspired you. We'll see you in the next one, where we'll continue learning together.